Howdy folks, how we doing? Right, it's a glorious Friday. Yeah, it is a glorious Friday. The weekend before the Queen's Jubilee. And today's going to be a bit of a different day. Yeah, different day. We are taking in the scaffold towers that hold the cables for the flying cameras. So, you know, occasionally, I don't know if you've seen them, but you'll see in stadiums you've got a camera on 4 wires that floats around in the sky and it can go anywhere in the ground. Well, we're taking into the Jubilee celebrations the scaffold that makes that happen. It's a bit of a different one. We've got a flatbed on, as you can see from the camera on the back. We're currently sat in Beaconsfield Services because the timings on this are pretty spot on. I cannot get there before 1:45. So it's about an hour, a little bit over an hour from where I am through the traffic, even though it's only 20 miles or so. It's just over an hour, so we're just sitting here at the minute. It's about 11:30 at the minute, so about another 10 minutes to go, 10-15 minutes to go, and then we'll think about moving. So I just wanted to really give you a bit of an insight. I have a new truck. Well, I say I have a new truck. I think we need to clarify this a little bit. I have a new truck because my old truck decided to give up. So, if you give me a moment, we'll get out, we'll have a look around. Yeah? You go for that? See, she's all sign written. She is a DAF XF 480 and I am very, very pleased with her. We have some new uniforms. So if I turn you around, there we go. New uniforms, slightly different design this time, slightly darker. I'm kind of pleased with these really. The other unique thing about this was when I got her, she didn't have a back bunk in her, so yours truly had to fit some lockers. So, when I say I fitted some lockers, I don't know if you can see that, but that is a set of lockers from, yeah, you guessed it, another XF, a written off one this time. I went down to the scrapyard and I pulled these out and I fitted them in. They seem to fit quite nicely, giving me loads of storage space. I've got the usual malarkey, like fridge, freezer, lockers, and upstairs, up the top, we've got a microwave in there. CB's up here. So yeah, at the moment, because it's the end of the week, cab's a bit of a mess, but overall I'm loving this new truck. It's much quieter than the old one. You will have seen it in previous videos when I've driven it on temporary occasions. However, this is the first week of it actually being mine and mine alone. So yeah, pretty pleased. Right, we're about time now, I think. Another couple of minutes on the road. Here we go guys, let's get going, yay! Head into town. It's a beautiful sunny day today. And there's a certain level of novelty factor today, as obviously I've got flat deck on, which is first novelty factor. Second novelty factor is I'm going to get to go pretty much up the mole today, I think. However, I'm going into the centre of town and I cannot wait. I'm thoroughly looking forward to this. This is unusual, it's different, and it's fun. Oh yeah. So, all is good in my book. Right, let's get out of Beaconsfield. Try and do this without running anybody over. Oh, having said that. So, what is the load? You can see it on the back camera there. We have got aluminium tower frames, and then at the bottom of those tower frames we have concrete blocks to stop them falling over and blowing away and what have you. So we've got 10 tonne of concrete blocks and then about 1.5 tonne of tower frames. Nice and easy. It's a good load to carry actually, this one. It sits quite nicely on the trailer once you've got it in the right place. The trailer today is only a twin axle. Don't need the triaxle for this job. We're not heavy enough. And that is a double-edged sword. It doesn't follow as predictably as the triaxle. However, it provides a shorter trailer for me to have to manoeuvre around. So once you get used to it after a while, it's a better trailer to tow with. So the route that we're going to take into London, my sort of instinct was to go down to the M4 and then go in on the M4. However, knowing London traffic, and because I prefer it, I actually prefer the A40 into town. So we're going to use that route. And hopefully we'll have a reasonably clear run into town. There's no guarantees on this. It's Jubilee weekend. Today all the schools break up, I believe. So there will be kids, caravans, cars everywhere. We'll just have to see how it goes. It's the only way to look at it, really. So for now, I'm going to concentrate so I don't hit anybody on the way through, and I will catch up with you guys a bit later on. Here you go, we're going down Constitution Hill. Oh yeah, I never thought I'd be doing this. Wonders will never cease. So we're through accreditation, everything's all good. Just quietly mooch your way down here. Hopefully this muppet will get out of my way. We might speak to the client, let him know we're here. It's probably a good idea. Let's give him a call.
Answering machine, you know what to do.
Daz, it's Pete. I'm just coming down Constitution Hill now, mate. Yeah, I've got the camera towers.
Where?
Camera towers, West End rigging. I'm just trying to get a hold of the forklift driver now. Find out where he is. But they just told me to keep going straight down, basically.
Well, he is straight down now.
That's Brooks answering machine.
Yeah, so I don't know where they are. Where do you want me to pull up for a minute until I can get hold of them? Just over here.
That's what he said.
Oh, here we go, hang on. Hey Daz.
Hello mate, how's it going?
Yeah, not too bad, I'm here. Where are you?
You should be on Constitution Hill, is that right?
Yeah, I'm right down the bottom by the grandstands.
Bottom of got him.
Is that your flashing light?
Yeah.
I'm in front of you waving.
Oh, there you are. Right, I'll come to you, mate.
You saw him, yeah?
Well, no two ways about it. This is proving interesting to try and find my way around here. The notes aren't particularly accurate as to exactly who the client is. I know where the kit's come from, but as to where it's going. Ah, there he is. Right, we can just see him waving down the bottom. Right, let's go get down there. See where he wants me. Well, this is a bit different. Everything's a little bit on the tight side, to say the least. So he wants us to spin round